We've pulled up at a lookout. Check this out. Hopefully you can see it. It's absolutely incredible. Just the view, like down this way, the view is insane. Sorry, I'm walking in front of the wife who's taking a photo. That is real cool.
You can see where the water would come down on these hills when it's raining.
Yeah, over there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there is like a slip, like a water slip where water will run down the hills all the way along. There's all these different areas where you can see waterfalls will be coming down in the wet. And I would say that this is a big river plain or a flood plain, because a river like working down the middle of it. That is really cool.
So if you're wondering where we actually are, where we're showing you, we're actually heading from...
From the Mariba region.
Yeah, heading to Mount Malloy.
Heading to Mount Malloy, there you go, that's where we're going.
From the Cape.
From the
region.
Cape. So we're outside the Cape now, we're heading to Mount Malloy, and that view just caught us, we wanted to share it with you. It's good.
A lot of land.
Shitloads.
Afternoon, guys. Abby and I have decided to do a croc cruise at the Daintree River. So should be good.
It's going to be awesome.
It's going to be great. Let's see if we can find some crocs.
Let's go hunting.
Let's go hunting. Let's see. Come along with us.
Now the two flat parts on the top of his head, there is ears, eyes right in front of the ears, nostrils on the end of the snout. Now that big hump in the middle of him, that's his belly basically. And he's pretty chock-a-block full, folks. He's in a food coma. I don't reckon he could fit in enough dinner mint. So if you fell in there now, they're going to look at you and go, you're lucky. I can't fit you in. But if in between his legs is concave, going inwards, don't fall in. As soon as you hit the water, he'll hit you.
Look at the size of him.
55
Massive.
kilometres an hour in the water, that quickly. They can't sustain it for very long. They suffer really badly from lactic acid build-up in the muscles.
Just over here,
Here in the world
is a
ahead.
snake, a green tree snake. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just over there. Got a photo, so I'll put a photo in here.
From 3 to 3.5 metres, and they almost double in their girth. They go from 3.5 to 4, they almost double in their girth. Wow. They go from 4 to 4.5, and they almost do it again. Predominantly gold.
Just there. Croc.
So she's definitely warmer. Alright, so the reason for the open mouth, she's a bit hot. Her body still wants to absorb heat, but her little brain area is starting to fry. So she opens her mouth up and she expels heat out of the top palate of her mouth.
That's really cool. Just a little bubby one right there. Just there. Wow. That was pretty cool.
That was really, really, really informative and super awesome.
Yeah.
Gotta say.
Definitely worth just cruising up the river and seeing all the different crocs, and then they've all got names, they've all got their place on the river.
Daintree Crocodile Tours. The guy was super informative. Come and say hello. It's
He was really good. All right, we're going to keep going now because we've got to head back up to Mount Malloy. I think we're going to go just for a little cruise around here first.
Yeah, Cane Tribulation Ferry, come and have a look.
Yeah.